Recurring tasks. In our previous lessons, we talked about tasks, creating tasks, and subtasks. We've also seen about creating deadlines and durations. Now we're going to discuss recurring tasks. Some tasks may occur weekly. Some of them are a review of a project or a meeting. Certainly that too has to be included in our task list. So now let's talk about these recurring tasks. If you have a task that repeats on a set schedule throughout your project, you can create a recurring task. A task that occurs repeatedly during the course of a project is a recurring task. For example, we might define the weekly status meeting as a recurring task. We have our Project 2007 open, and also we have some sample tasks. Scroll down to the last row and then write Project Meeting. To make it a recurring task, go to Insert and select Recurring Task. Now, see, a small window has opened. It is a recurring task information window. I want this meeting to hold up every week, so click on Weekly here, i.e. on every Monday. So I'm checking on Monday here, and see, now the recurring task has formed. When we expand the subtask, we can see more tasks for every week. When the mouse hovers over this symbol, it shows the exact details of this recurring task. We can set up any number of recurring tasks in a project. So now we have seen about recurring tasks, and in the next lesson, we are going to see about setting non-working time for tasks. Setting non-working time. In our previous lesson, we talked about recurring tasks. Now we're going to change the non-working time in a calendar. In a particular period of time, we may have unexpected holidays. We have to include that also to have a clear-cut plan. Now go to Tools and select Change Working Time. As I said earlier, we have 3 calendars, a 24-hour calendar, a night shift, and a standard calendar, which is the base calendar. We can see the working time for the standard calendar, which is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., of which 1 hour is off time for lunch. Suppose we have an unconditional leave for 2 days. We can plan accordingly, and we can change the schedules of our project. Now let's see how to change the non-working time. Consider that we are having a 2-day holiday. The reason is a Silver Jubilee function. Here I'm going to give 2 days holiday, like exceptions. We have to set the date here, and we have a start and finish date here, and we have to select 2 corresponding days here. We have given 2 days exceptions. Click OK now. Now, see, 2 exception days have been added. See the Gantt chart here. We can see the grayed option for 2 days. This gray-colored box shows the exception day. See, the rest are white in color, which are clear working days. When we work on big projects, we must consider these exception days, and obviously they play a good role in big projects. Up until now, we have seen all the options relating to tasks. In the following lesson, we are going to discuss WBS codes.